VELA.CAT.
Hola Barcelona, my name is Anna Tunnicliffe. I'm the skipper of the USA Elliott 6-meter match racing team. My crew is Molly Vandermoor and Debbie Capozzi, and we're campaigning for the 2012 Olympic Games.
My name is Ecaterina Skudina. I'm skipper of Russian sailing team in match race. We're preparing for London Olympic Games. Hopefully it will be successful.
Sailing here in Barcelona is fantastic. There's great conditions, great wind, great waves, and the facilities are fantastic.
After this training in Barcelona, we are going in Palma de Mallorca for Princesa Sofía trophy, which will start on 3rd of April. We're looking forward to it. I think this is a really great opportunity and I like the place as well.
I started sailing at a young age when my parents were in the sport and wanted me to learn. I wasn't really into the racing until I was older. And when I started racing, I loved the competitive side of it and wanted to pursue the Olympic Games.
Beginning was just occasionally, but later I like sailing because I think it's really, you need to be smart. It's not really sport, it's something in between the normal sport and chess, so you have to really think and make tactics. So I think it's a good training for mine. It will help me in life, I'm sure.
My best result, I think, was winning the Olympic gold medal in the 2008 Olympic Games. It was something I'd been working for 4 years, every day of my life, and to cross the finish line with the gold medal was a dream come true.
During trainings we use video cameras and walkie-talkies to communicate between us and coach, and I think these devices are very important in preparation.
To be a top-level sailor, I think you have to have desire, dedication, the dream, and the discipline to pursue it all. You have to have the dream, obviously, to go after something, the discipline and the dedication to go after it no matter what, and the desire to do it all the time.
I think for high-level sailor it's very important to be concentrated, to be motivated, and to be mentally strong.
You can follow us on Facebook, Team Tunnicliffe, Twitter, Tunnicliffe, or on our website at www.teamtunnicliffe.com.
You can follow me and my team results on my website, which is www.skudina.ru, so that the results will be there.
We always love sailing in Spain. Everybody is so friendly and willing to help out. Sometimes there's a language barrier where we don't quite understand everything, but people are willing to make the effort to help us out. The facilities are always great and the weather conditions are always fantastic.
Ens veiem aviat in Barcelona Sailing Center.
VELA.CAT